If you wake up with a dry mouth every morning, your body is warning you about this. The clock reads 6:47 in the morning, and the world is still quiet. Your alarm is set for later, yet you find yourself wide awake, staring at the ceiling. There is no sharp pain, no jarring noise, and no lingering memory of a vivid dream. Instead, your attention is drawn immediately to the inside of your mouth. It feels as if you have spent the entire night breathing in fine chalk dust or trudging across a vast, unforgiving desert. Your tongue seems fused to the roof of your mouth, and your lips feel tight, dry, and uncomfortable. You swallow, but there is no relief. The sensation is thick and sticky, a reminder that your internal hydration systems have essentially powered down while you slept. If this scenario is a regular occurrence for you, it is vital that you pause and pay attention to what your physiology is attempting to communicate. Most individuals dismiss this persistent dryness as merely an inevitable side effect of growing older, a small, nagging nuisance that one must simply accept as the price of longevity. However, this perspective is fundamentally flawed. In reality, your body is providing you with a clear, urgent, and specific warning note that the vast majority of people never take the time to read or understand. I am Dr. Franklin, and I have dedicated this space to providing adults over the age of 60 with the clear, evidence-based, and compassionate health information that is so often missing from the rushed 7-minute interactions found in a typical doctor's office. We do not operate on fear or sensationalism here. My goal is to help you connect the dots between the subtle, everyday symptoms you might be ignoring and the larger, more meaningful health narrative that is often hiding right beneath the surface. Today, we are focusing on that first sensation of the morning, the dryness in your mouth, and we are going to explore why it is a vital indicator of your overall well-being. Before we move forward, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Next week, we are diving into a topic that honestly caught me by surprise during my data review: the dangerous interaction between two common supplements that could be silently depleting your body of a vital nutrient. You will want to be informed about that, but for now, let us focus on why your mouth feels like a desert and what that really means for your health. To understand why this is a concern, we must first look at the role of saliva. It is far more than just a byproduct of the mouth. It is a complex, active substance produced in volumes of 1 to 1.5 liters every single day. Saliva is essentially your body's internal protective armor. It coats your teeth to prevent decay, neutralizes harmful acids, provides the enzymes necessary to initiate digestion long before your food reaches your stomach, and contains powerful antibacterial agents that defend your throat and mouth against infection. When you wake up every morning to find that this primary defense system has been completely deactivated overnight, you are experiencing the equivalent of an alarm signal. According to a landmark study in the journal Oral Diseases, nearly half of all adults over the age of 65 suffer from chronic morning dry mouth, or xerostomia. Crucially, the research indicates that in more than 80% of these cases, the dry mouth is not the primary disease itself, but rather a downstream symptom of a larger underlying issue. It is the smoke detector, not the fire, and our goal today is to help you locate exactly where that fire is burning. The first, and perhaps most common culprit, is the medication puzzle. Many adults over 60 are surprised to learn that their medicine cabinet may be the primary source of their discomfort. There are more than 500 prescription and over-the-counter medications that list dry mouth as a documented side effect. This list includes common blood pressure medications, specifically diuretics, which naturally reduce fluid levels in the body. It also features antihistamines used for spring allergies, antidepressants, treatments for an overactive bladder, certain pain relievers, and even common over-the-counter sleep aids that appear harmless. The difficulty arises when you take multiple medications simultaneously. Research published in Gerontology shows that the side effects of these medications do not merely add up, they compound significantly. A senior taking 5 or more daily medications is almost twice as likely to experience severe dry mouth as someone taking only 2. I once worked with a patient named Gerald, a 71-year-old who was diligent about his health, but suffering from mysterious recurring dental decay and constant dryness. Upon reviewing his intake, we found 4 medications, all of which were drying his mouth. that were essentially fighting against his body's natural moisture production. By simply adjusting the timing of when he took these pills, his symptoms improved drastically within 3 weeks. My advice is to gather every bottle you take, including vitamins and supplements, and have an honest conversation with your pharmacist. They are experts in these interactions and can often help you make small, impactful adjustments. The second cause is what I call the silent nighttime thief, obstructive sleep apnea. This condition is far more prevalent than most realize, and it is a major factor in morning dryness. Sleep apnea occurs when the soft tissues in the back of your throat collapse during sleep, blocking your airway. Your brain, in a state of panic, forces you to gasp or shift positions to reopen the airway, often without you ever fully waking up. The consequence is that your body defaults to mouth breathing to survive, which causes your saliva to evaporate at an extreme rate throughout the night. While dry mouth is a nuisance, the sleep apnea behind it is a significant health risk. Data from the American Heart Association confirms that untreated sleep apnea in seniors elevates the risk of stroke, heart irregularities, and cognitive decline. If you snore, wake up exhausted, suffer from unexplained morning headaches, or find yourself nodding off during the day, do not ignore these signs. Modern home sleep studies are now simple, comfortable, and often covered by insurance. They can provide the answers you need without a trip to a laboratory. The third cause involves the connection between dry mouth and your blood sugar. With millions of Americans currently living with undiagnosed diabetes, this is a bridge that must be crossed. When your blood glucose levels remain high, your body attempts to filter and flush that excess sugar out through the kidneys. This process requires significant amounts of fluid, which the body effectively steals from other tissues, leading to chronic systemic dehydration. This state often manifests as persistent dry mouth long before a formal diabetes diagnosis is made. If you find that your dry mouth is accompanied by frequent urination, excessive fatigue, slow healing cuts, or blurred vision, you must not wait for your next annual physical. Schedule a fasting glucose test and an HbA1c test immediately. These simple diagnostic tools can look back at your blood sugar averages over the last 3 months and potentially save you from years of undiagnosed health complications. The fourth cause is the dehydration deception, which is particularly relevant as we age. The hypothalamus, which acts as the body's internal thermostat for thirst, becomes less sensitive as we get older. A study in the Journal of Physiology confirmed that seniors can reach a 2% fluid deficit, meaning they are legitimately dehydrated without ever feeling the sensation of thirst. You cannot rely on your body to tell you when it needs water anymore. Your skin, your kidneys, and your internal tissues are all losing the ability to conserve moisture effectively, especially if you are taking blood pressure medication. The solution is to stop waiting for your body to send a signal. You must treat hydration like a daily medication, consumed on a strict schedule. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, spaced evenly throughout your waking hours. And remember that alcohol and caffeine do not count toward this goal, as they actively accelerate water loss. Finally, the fifth cause is an often overlooked autoimmune condition known as Sjogren's syndrome. This is especially prevalent in women over 55. In this condition, the immune system mistakenly attacks the glands responsible for producing moisture, specifically the salivary and lacrimal glands. This leads to chronic dry mouth, gritty and irritated eyes, joint pain, and profound, unexplained fatigue. Because these symptoms are so easily dismissed as just another part of getting older, the average patient can wait nearly 5 years for a proper diagnosis. If your dry mouth is paired with eye irritation and persistent aches, I urge you to ask your doctor about Sjogren's. It is a manageable condition, but you must first ensure it is identified on your medical chart. To put this all into action, start with a clear 5-step plan. First, conduct a complete medication and supplement review with your pharmacist to identify any drying agents. Second, monitor your sleep habits for 1 week, paying attention to snoring or morning grogginess, and consult your doctor if you suspect sleep apnea. Third, request a blood sugar screening if you haven't had one in the last year. Fourth, implement a strict water drinking schedule, regardless of your thirst levels. Fifth, For immediate comfort, utilize xylitol-based oral rinses or gels at night, but ensure they are free of alcohol, as alcohol will only exacerbate the dryness. Should you experience difficulty swallowing, white patches in your mouth, or unexplained weight loss, please seek medical attention immediately. Remember, while dry mouth is common, it is not normal, and it is certainly not harmless. It is an invitation to look deeper at your health. By addressing these 5 potential causes, you are doing more than just moisturizing your mouth. You are protecting your heart, your brain, and your long-term vitality. You have the power to connect these dots and take control of your health journey starting today. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to hearing about your progress in the comments below. Please type sleep, meds, or testing to let me know which area you plan to investigate first. If this information provided the clarity you were looking for, consider sharing it with a friend or family member who might need to hear it. Taking care of your health is a lifelong process, and you have already taken a significant step forward simply by being here and seeking the truth about your body's needs. I am Dr. Franklin, and I encourage you to take excellent care of yourself this coming week.